Hi beautiful African fashion lovers, I'm so excited to be back to bring you some beautiful and elegant African Ankara styles that are trending, which you can add to your collection of outfits. And today I'm here with another beautiful lovely skirt and blouse collection that are trending, which you can rock to your next event. And all these beautiful outfits are from different designers in Africa and around the world. So what are you waiting for? If you are just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we are bringing you beautiful and elegant styles, you'll be the first to get the update. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I really want to appreciate you for always tuning in to watch elegant styles that we bring to you on our YouTube channel. So enjoy all these beautiful and new Ankara skirt and blouse design to the end. Thank you all for watching all these beautiful and amazing styles that I bring to you on our YouTube channel today. And today we have one of our fashionistas in the house that will be taking us through how some of these skirts and blouse styles are being made. So I will be giving the mic to our fashionista to take us through lovely Ankara styles.
I'm so glad to be here today. For the fashion designers in the house, I would like to explain how you can sew this perfectly and the yards you're going to use. For this particular style, you're going to use 6 yards of any fabric of your choice because it has a peplum flay, and the peplum is 360-degree peplum flay. You can see, and it's a straight skirt. It also has a three-quarter sleeve, which is a straight sleeve. So with all these, and when you check the left side of the sleeve, it has a bow at the sleeve side. So with all these, what you can make use of here is a 6 yard of any fabric. Then I'll be going to the second slide now. For this particular style, now you can only make use of 6 yards of any fabric of your choice because it has 2-step flay. And this is just 180-degree flay at the sleeve mouth, you can see, but it has a straight skirt. It has a peplum at the top, and it also has a half cut, and the half cut is a bustier half cut, you can see. And at the upper part of the sleeve, it has a puff sleeve. You can see how beautiful this style is. So if you're cutting this and if you want to get this perfectly, because this particular style also has an hair tie, you can see. So for any kind of fabric you're going to use 6 yards of the fabric. So to go to the third slide, for this particular style is a bustier top that has a peplum at the half cut, you can see, to make a complete top. You can see the sleeve is a 3/4 sleeve and is a puff sleeve. It's a straight puff sleeve. It's not a short puff sleeve. It's a 3/4. You can call it a 3/4 puff sleeve. You can call it a straight puff sleeve. You can see it now. So to get this design perfectly, you're going to make use of 6 yards of any fabric of your choice. And the skirt, you can make use of 6-piece skirt. You can make use of 4-piece skirt or a straight skirt. It depends on the measurement you are dealing with. So since what is common here is flay, I would like to do a short tutorial for you on how to cut out the flay. So for short description or illustration on how to make the flay perfectly, you can see now, once you have your fabric, you're going to fold it into 2 first, then into 4. This folding now is for 360-degree flay, and this folding is for, this is into 2 first, You can see this is into 2, then into 4 like this. This is for 180 degree. This is 180 degree folding, and this is 360 degree folding. So let's assume we're cutting on 360 degree folding, because all the peplum you're seeing on the half cut to make a top is a 360 degree folding. So this is where you're going to deduce your radius, which is the area you're going to attach to the waist of your half cut to make a top, or the roundness of the hand for that particular style that has a 2-step degree flay. So this is what you need. You need your radius to be here. So you have to take the measurement of your radius, and which is going to be this. This is the radius. This is how to cut out the radius. So once you've gotten your radius like this, the next thing you take is the length of your flay. So let's assume from here to here is the length of our flay that we're going to attach to our half cut. Then you try to cut it out like this. So they must have the same length. You can see this is the same length. So this is what you're going to use. Then you divide this area into 2. Then you add it to your half cut. You can see how perfect this is. So for better explanation, I'm going to put a link under the description of this video, the tutorial link under the description of this video, so you can watch it to know how you can cut out your 360 degree 720 degree flay perfectly.
Thanks to our fashionista for taking us through some lovely and beautiful tutorials. So if you are joining for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we are bringing you beautiful and elegant style, you'll be the first to get the update. Have a beautiful and lovely time. Bye for now.